back out on the Ninja, out here at the spot. It is kind of sprinkling a little bit today, but it's really light, so hopefully it won't affect us too much. I think I kind of want to start off with some rolling burnouts, maybe. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Like the initiation a little better. Definitely getting better there. Yeah, getting a lot better with the rolling burnouts. Dang. Okay. Sick. Well, that is good that I am getting more comfortable with that. My heart is like in my fucking chest right now. Doing rolling burnouts is so scary. Let's do some wheelies. Those are slightly less scary. All right, either there is a little water on the ground, or oh, look at that! I think those are my my marks. Neat. Either there's a little water on the ground, or my tire is just real soft. On this bike are definitely getting better also. That's cool. There's a lot of fucking plant stuff on the ground. Maybe that's why it feels a little slippery. Nope, it grabbed up good there. Yesterday, and the puddles are fucking huge today. It rained like all day yesterday, that's why I didn't really come out and ride. The pleasures of living in the Pacific Northwest. Honestly, it fucking sucks here. I want to move like down south or something eventually, but I don't know. Me and the wife bought a house up here, and we're definitely going to be up here for a while. The summers are nice. The winters are terrible. at initiating them still. Just gotta dump the clutch faster, that's it. Oh yeah! That's it! Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh shit! I am at 229. Should probably just ride a little bit and let his bike cool down. This road up. There's another one from me. That's funny. There's another one from me. Two more from me. Oh man, that's really funny. I'm getting them though. That's cool. Probably another one from me. Alright, bike has cooled down a little bit. I think I'm going to do a couple of wheelies down here, and then I'm probably going to go take a break for a little bit. Let the bike cool down some more. Chasing a little bit. I need to just drop it back a little further. Might be back, might not. I don't know. Peace. Alright, we are back from break time. And, I don't know, it's probably going to be a short little rest of this video because I want to go home. Yeah, let's do a couple of wheelies. Maybe a rolling burnout? I don't know, we'll see. Well, that just spun and then picked up. That was interesting. Getting a lot more comfortable on this bike though, so that's cool. Getting more comfortable moving around, adjusting my body position, getting more and more comfortable farther back, getting better every day. The timing, how like when I say something like that and then just immediately do a terrible job, it's always cool. Up the front there for a second. That was scary. That was not a very good one. But that's all right. On this street. Terrible, at least. That's gonna be it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.